If equipped, the Stow N Vac system makes minor cleanups a breeze. The vehicle must be in park with the ignition in either ACC mode or the engine on. To start Stow N Vac, pull the hose from the rear trim panel behind the sliding door on the driver's side of the vehicle. Then push the power button. The vacuum will run for 10 minutes if the ignition is in the ACC position or continuously when the engine is on. In the ACC position, a low power light will come on after 9 minutes. Be sure to use the vacuum in a well-ventilated area. The crevice and upholstery tools are located in the front attachment compartment below the vacuum hose. And you'll find the hose extension in a bag attached to a grocery hook behind the third row seat. Make sure to clean and replace your vacuum filter and empty the debris bin as necessary. The filter and debris bin are located behind the lower access panel in back of the third row seat on the driver's side. After cleaning, the debris bin must be fully installed and locked for the vacuum to function properly. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.